Good morning, students. We will discuss about the next experiment number 7, title to evaluate the plastic transfusion bottles, thickness more than 500 micrometer, used for large volume parentals using the extract. The firstly, prior concept is plastic polymers, the types of the manufacture of the plastics. Concepts, proportion, compliance. The dates for the plastic transfusion bottles are the compliance dates for the plastic transfusion bottles are the non-volatile matter test, residue on the egestion, heavy metal test, oxidable substance test. The general concept of the experiment, that is the follow: the plastic container subdiv- subdivision into the strips, treatment with the purified water, heat in water bath at the 70 degrees Celsius for the 24 hours, or heat in a autoclave at the 121 degrees Celsius for the 30 minutes to the separate the extract and to the obtain to the test compliance as a per IP 1996. This is the concept of the experiment number 7, that is firstly is the plastic container taken and to the subdivision into the strips and treatment with the purified water, and this next step is the heat the in water bath, gives the heat for the water bath to 70 degrees Celsius for the 24 hours to give the heat, and to the or heat in autoclave at 121 degrees for 30 minutes to provided the heat the autoclave, and the next step is the separated the extract and separate to the extract, and next step is the test compliance as per IP 1996 the is completed, and to the form of the learning objectives are intellectual skills is obtained for the this test. Which intellectual skills present to first is to understand the concept of the evaluation of the plastic container, and second is to the interpret the result. The mostly the understand for the concept for evaluation for plastic container, to evaluation for the plastic container do understand firstly, and interpret the result. Next, motor skills present for next first is ability to the subdivide the plastic container. Next, ability to the operate the autoclave, properly operated the autoclave, handling is properly, and next is the ability to engineer residue of the sample and interpret the result of the evaporation. Next, ability to the adjust the pH and detect the endpoint. To this ability is present for the motor skill for the uh, experiment is performed to the ability for the these skills. And next is apparatus. Which apparatus is used to this experiment? To the firstly is glassware. Glassware is plastic container is mostly important. Water bath, scissors, autoclave, test tube holder, type first glass meaning cylinder, beaker, glass rod, silica crucible, Nestler cylinder is mostly is used the glassware for the experiment. And next is the chemicals are used for the experiment. Which chemicals are used? Firstly is purified water, next is 1 molar acetic acid, 5 molar ammonia, lead standard solution, hydrogen sulfide solution 0.02 molar potassium permanganate, dilute sulfuric acid, potassium iodide 0.01 molar, sodium thiosulfide starch solution. Prepare the solution as per IP 1996. That is the mostly important the chemicals for the using the experiment and perform the experiment. And to next is stepwise procedure. The following are the steps are provided to the uh, the next is plastic containers for the pharmaceutical products are made from the plastics with the certain additives, antioxidant, heat stabilizer, lubricants, plasticizers, filters, and colorants. And during the storage of the transfusion fluids, these additives could be extracted or leach into the drug solution in intimate the contact with the plastic container. Therefore, it is necessary to evaluate the physical and chemical compatibility of a formulation in a packaging system under the various storage and time condition to ensure the safety and stability of the drug products. That is the stepwise procedure to the follow them, the perform the experiment, and to the next is the subdivision or plastic transfusion bottles. First is the clean scissors with the acetone and methyl blue. Clean the scissors to use to the acetone and methylene blue. Next is the from a homogeneous sample of the plastic material. Use a position for the each 20 ml of the extracting medium. Evaluate to the 120 centimeter total surface area. Both sides is combined. That is the form of homogeneous sample plastic materials. The homogeneous sample materials, plastic materials are taken and use the portion for the each 20 ml of extracted medium and evaluate the to the 120 centimeters square. Total surface are both sides in the combined. Both sides is combined. Subdivide into the strips approximately 5 centimeters long and 0.3 centimeter wide. Subdivide in strips is approximately in present in the 5 centimeters long and the 0.3 centimeters wide. And next is the transfer the subdivided sample to a glass stopped 250 ml of a graduate cylinder of a type first class and add about the 150 ml of a purified water. The next is the transfer the subdivided sample. Transfer the subdivided sample in glass stopper. Glass stopper to use and transfer the sample and the 250 ml graduated cylinder of the type first class. Type first class at 250 ml graduated cylinder to type first class and this 150 ml of the purified water added to the 150 ml of for purified water. And next step to the agitate for the about the 30 seconds. Drain off the describe the liquid and repeat the operation. Agitate about the 30 seconds and 2 drain off the discard the liquid and repeat the operation. The repeated the operations. The transfer to acceptable extraction flash quantity and prepare the sample with the surface area of the, about the 1200 centimeters square when the thickness of the sample is 0.5 mm or less or about the 600 centimeters square when the thickness is greater than 0.5 mm. The transfer the is this step to transfer for the extraction flask. The quantity is prepared of sample surface and about the 1200 centimeter squares and thickness is sample is 0.5 mm or less than 600 centimeter square when this thickness greater than 0.5 mm. This is the greater than for 0.5 mm. So next step to add 200 ml of the purified water and extract by the heating in the water bath 70 degrees Celsius for the 24 hours or alternately heat the autoclave at the 121 degrees Celsius for the 30 minutes. So next step to add 200 ml purified water extracted by the heating for the water bath is 70 degrees Celsius for 24 hours the heating bath. And next alternative another uses the autoclave for the heating purposes to the 120 degrees Celsius for the taken for 30 minutes. To next cool not below the 20 degrees Celsius. That is not cool for the below 220 degrees Celsius. Next is use the extract to evaluate the following tests. The following tests are used to the extract the evaluate test. Now, first is evaluation of plastic transfusion bottles as per IP 1996. First is non-volatile matter. Firstly, non-volatile matter, the transfer in a suitable portion of 50 ml of the extract to the suitable and treated the crucible fused silica crucible that has been the acid cleaned. Evaporate on a water bath and dry the residue at 105 degrees Celsius for the 1 hour. The firstly transport the suitable portion, and next is the 50 ml of extract of a suitable solution. Tear the crucible. Crucible is preferably a fused silica crucible that has been acid cleaned for the acid clean, and evaporate a water bath. Evaporate to the water bath and dry the residue of the 105 degree Celsius for the how many time? 1 hour. Next, repeat this operation with the blank. The difference between the residue obtained from the extract and blank dose, not the excited 50 milligram. Next, heavy metal. Transfer the 20 ml of the extract, filter if the necessary into one of two matched Nessler cylinders. Adjust the pH between 3 to 4 with the 1 molar acetic acid or 5 molar ammonia. Dilute with the water to the about 35 ml or mix the into the second Nessler cylinder and 2 ml of the lead standard solution, 1 ppm pb and 20 ml of the blank. Adjust the pH between the 3 or 4 with 1 molar acetic acid, 5 molar ammonia. Dilute with the water to the about 35 ml and mix. This heavy metals has early test to the transfer for the firstly is 20 ml of the extract, and next is the filter the necessary into one or two matched Nessler cylinders, and adjust the pH for 3 to 4. 1 molar acetic acid, adjust the pH, and 5 molar ammonia. Dilute with the water to the about 35 ml and mix into the second Nessler cylinder and 2 ml of the lead standard solution and 20 ml of the blank and adjust the pH between the 3 and 4 with the 1 molar acetic acid. Adjust the pH to a 3 to 4 of 1 molar acetic acid and 5 molar ammonia. Dilute with the water and to the about the 35 ml and the mix to them, and to each cylinder and 10 ml of a freshly prepared hydrogen sulfate solution. Dilute with water to the 50 ml of and mix, and brown color produced within the 10 minutes in the cylinder containing the extract is not more intense than the cylinder containing the lead standard solution. To this is the to each cylinder add a 10 each cylinder to add it to the 10 ml freshly prepared hydrogen sulfide solution firstly, and dilute with the water to the 50 ml. Diluted to the 50 ml water and mix, and brown color produced the which color? Brown color, and with the 10 minutes in the cylinder containing, and this extract is not more intense than the cylinder containing the lead standard solution. And next is oxidizable substances. The transfer 20 ml. Firstly, transfer to 20 ml extract in a glass stoppered flask. Firstly, transfer for 20 ml extract into the glass stopper flask, and next is added 20 ml of the 0.02 molar potassium permanganate. Added 20 ml for 0.02 molar potassium permanganate and 1 ml of dilute sulfuric acid for, and boil 3 minutes. Boil to them 3 minutes and cool, and added 0.1 gram of potassium iodide. Mix by the shaking and allow to the stand for the 10 minutes and the dark. Titrate with of 0.0 molar sodium thiosulfide and using the 0.25 ml of starch solution as indicator. I repeat the operation with the blank. The difference between the two titration is not more than 1 ml. Next is calculation. First, non-volatile matter for extract. First is weight of the empty crucible. Firstly, weight is taken for the empty crucible for gram, that is indicated for x gram. Second is the weight of the crucible plus added to a extract after the complete drying. After completing of drying to the this value is regarding and added to the weight of crucible plus extra to completing drying after the completing drying, and this is the y gram. And next third step to weight of the residue, y minus x, which value is obtained to the indicate for the gram. And for blank, next is b blank, weight of the empty crucible. Firstly taken in the weight of empty crucible in x gram, and next is the weight of the crucible and added to the purified water after complete the drying, that in the which amount is present, which amount obtained, this is the y gram. And next is weight of residue. Weight of residue obtained to the calculate for the y minus x gram, and it is the obtained the which value b is equal to which value is obtained is written for this and gram obtained. Difference between the residue obtained from the extract and the blank, the difference between the residue obtained from the extract and the blank, this value is indicate for extract a which value are obtained, and next b म्हणजे blank which weight of residue obtained, this present in gram, and these two values a minus b calculated, and this obtained the value is present and written to this for gram. Oxidizable substances, the volume of 0.01 molar sodium thiosulfate solution consumed by the sample extracted x ml. Next, volume of the 0.0 molar sodium thiosulfide solution consumed by the blank, that is purified water y ml, and the difference between the above two titration x minus y ml to the obtain the calculation the oxidable substances, that is value for the difference between the above two titration is x minus y, to obtain the this written this value and for ml. Observation table, non-volatile matter, name of the test, observation and inferences. The non-volatile matter, difference between the weight of the residue present and to written for the gram, this obtained to the value, and the reference. Heavy metals, color produced in the test solution is dark, pale, and influences. Oxidizable substances, difference of the volume of the 0.01 molar sodium thiosulfate consumed by the sample and blank is which obtained ml. Result, plastic transfusion bottles used for large volume parentals using the extract passes fails the following test. The plastic transfusion bottles used for the large volume parentals using the extract passes fails the following test: non-volatile matter, heavy metal test, unoxidable substances to the obtain. That is completed for the experiment number 7, and thank you.